Is your computer running slower than usual? Here are some tips to speed it up. First, check for any unnecessary programs running in the background. Next, make sure your computer is free from malware and viruses by running a scan. Clear up disk space by deleting temporary files and uninstalling unused applications. You can also optimize your computer's performance by disabling unnecessary startup programs. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure optimal performance. Consider upgrading your hardware, such as adding more RAM or replacing your hard drive with an SSD. Avoid keeping too many browser tabs open as it can consume system resources. Lastly, restart your computer regularly to clear temporary files and refresh system processes. By following these steps, you can improve your computer's speed and performance.